everybody, Danny here. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope that you are all feeling the love today, every day, this week, always. Today we're gonna get into some more Kelly Clarkson. So right now we're gonna jump into her recent cover of Birds of a Feather. So let's just jump right into it.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave.
We've got some beautiful reverb there, which really makes the sound just really nice and beautifully ambient. And I love this song. I think it's such a masterpiece by Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish does it beautifully. I'm a huge Kelly fan, so I'm just so excited that she's singing this song.
Away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going to. 'Cause it was always you, alright. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die.
She Kellyfies it. She always Kellyfies it. I love it. That's my word for her.
And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye.
Welcome to the Kelly Clarkson Show. Give it up for my band, y'all. That was Birds of a Feather by...
She's incredible. It's an incredible song. She brings such emotion to everything that she does. There was a moment there that I saw her give this little wink, and I'm like, ooh, Kelly, who are you singing that to? So I just, I hope that she is just happy. She deserves to be happy. She's gone through so much. And that was just beautiful, a beautiful rendition of the song. She always knows how to make it her own. She pays respect to the artist and stays true to the melody, and then just kind of goes off and puts in her own little bit of a power note in there. That's what she does, and she does it so incredibly well. So I loved this. I hope that you loved it, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Thank you all for being here. You are the absolute best, and don't forget it. I love you guys.